welcome to this update. Let's update on the severe weather pattern that's coming this week. So there's a bunch of severe weather events coming, and I want you all to be safe and ready for them. So first, today, Tuesday, there's a slight risk in parts of Texas, a marginal in parts of Texas, and a marginal around the Great Lakes there. So tornado threat is under 2%. Wind is 15% in Texas, another 5% area, and 5% in the Great Lakes. And hail is hatched in Texas and 15%, and another 5% in the Great Lakes. So be aware today, isolated severe thunderstorms capable of producing large hail, potentially 2+ inch in diameter, and gusts of 65 miles per hour will be possible this afternoon and evening across northwestern Texas. And be aware there around northern Illinois, Michigan, and Wisconsin, there were some severe thunderstorm warnings there too. So let's see. Day 2, there's just a marginal risk for wind and hail in parts of Texas and Oklahoma tomorrow. Day 3 is a big slide in Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas and southern Nebraska. It's probabilistic 15% and a little hatched there for some stronger severe weather. So this system will arrive late probably, so most of this will be late in the day into the night, so be aware of that. So let's check day 3 and beyond, and then we check the models. So I found this cool page here that shows CIPS, the Colorado State University, and the National Weather Service to see all their opinions on the severe weather. So for day 3 on Thursday, CIPS has a dark orange area there and another area there, so potentially some stronger severe weather. Colorado State University has upgraded now for Thursday because they were lower before. Now they have a purple area and a hatched there for some stronger severe weather. And the National Weather Service I already showed you there. So for Friday, it's a potentially bigger event, some models show, because the Colorado State University has a moderate there, and also a purple, with some small purple areas there, and hatched for strong severe weather. The CIPS has a stronger area there too, in all those areas, and the National Weather Service has just a 15% for Friday there. So for Saturday, the Colorado State University has a big area too for parts of Oklahoma, some purple areas, some red areas made there, and all hatched. So this could be strong on Saturday too. The CIPS has some strong areas there. The National Weather Service just 15% for Saturday. So day 6, which is, I think this is Sunday. I don't know if I'm saying the days right. I think this is Sunday. Alright. So day 6, there's a generally a slight or enhanced area from the CIPS and another slight there. Colorado State University has a small 30% there, and the National Weather Service has just 15% for Saturday. I think that's Sunday, yes, that for Sunday they have 15%. Then for Monday, the CIPS has 3 areas there of orange, so one in the mid-Atlantic and some in the southeast and mid-south there. The Colorado State University has some 5% areas, but they show a very low risk. National Weather Service doesn't have anything. And for Tuesday, the CIPS still has some areas there, in a new area in Oklahoma and Texas and Kansas, and in the mid-Atlantic and southeast some areas. But the Colorado State University has some areas there too, but very low potential, and the National Weather Service doesn't have anything. So let's see some models now. So the GFS first. So wait, let me see this. So it shows the system arriving there by Thursday and Friday. The severe weather there around Friday and Thursday, and then this system heads northeast, potentially some snow and ice in Canada too because of that. But then on April 28th, this snow this new system comes and brings some stronger storms maybe, because these colors here are a bit stronger than it shows on Thursday. So this is on Sunday too. Saturday into Sunday, there could be some big storms. And keep in mind that many storms could be during the night. So always have warnings, ways to receive warnings during the night. And be aware of nocturnal storms, please. So Sunday, then this system continues there. On Monday, it shows still some storms around the mid-south, potentially some heavy rain and strong ones. The low pressure itself goes into Canada and brings some snow and ice there. So, and then it dissipates, and there's some small systems afterwards, but and a big one going to Canada, but that's kind of far out. So you got the idea, I think. Let's just check some Cape now for these events. On Wednesday, tomorrow, there's some Cape there around Texas, but it's just a marginal risk tomorrow. So on Thursday, there's some bigger Cape there around Oklahoma and Texas. So lots of instability there, but considering that this system will arrive late, so we'll see what happens. But lots of instability there. In some areas, even around more than 2,500 joules per kilogram in some areas. And then let's see, Friday, some instability around there too, but not too strong in the north, but that would be like more than 1,000 joules per kilogram in the north, so that's enough for severe weather. But shows a lot of Cape parts of Texas, even to 4,000 there. But the main severe weather threat won't be there, but there will be a lot of Cape there. So on Saturday, some more instability there for that new system that comes. And then that's too far out. I don't have premium of this. So let's see. I'm trying to find a model here that shows you like more the timing of the storms and everything, but let's see if I can find it here. So I wanted to find a more professional model and stuff like that shows lightning, hail, and parameters and stuff, but I don't have premium of anything, and it will be hard to find a site here. So let's just see this thunderstorm forecast on Windy. So you can see there on late Thursday the storms in Oklahoma and Kansas. There's might be a lot of lightning and big hail with these storms. And then on Friday just spreads out a lot of storms in all those areas there. And it shows that Friday night some storms might continue to, so be aware on Friday night. But on Saturday this system emerges there, and it shows big storms, a big line of storms going from the Great Lakes all the way to Texas on Sunday especially. So some of these in Oklahoma and Texas might be pretty strong on Saturday, and especially Sunday too in those areas. So the storms keep going there, and then it ends. So let's see. So the excessive rainfall outlook will start on day 3, because day 1 and day 2 is lower than 5% chance. So day 3 on Thursday, when we'll start having the storms, there's a marginal risk in parts of the plains there. So this could be upgraded or not. Day 4, there's just a marginal risk for Friday in all of those areas. And day 5, a marginal too. So this won't be a big flash flood concern, but always be aware, especially in storms with a lot of precipitation and everything. So let's just check the dew points during those days. So on Sunday there, we'll get like, because my chart is in Celsius here, but I don't know, 24 Celsius around Texas there. I think that this might be in the 50s or 60s dew points there. So let's see. You see on Sunday there, the stronger dew points remain there. Not a lot too, but it's like some 50s and 60s, so I think that's enough for severe weather. So let's see this 250 millibar wind. So on on Thursday we get that storm there to come down. But what's interesting is that on Saturday, April 27th, we have this big trough digging in and then going east there and bringing the severe weather. So this is like the general thing here. Okay, so thanks for watching.